Whoa, man, I get a tingle every time that happens. Hey, you know, if you own an AR-15 firearm chambered in 5.56 or 223, man, you know ammo's hard to find, and it's also expensive when you do find it. But let me tell you how you can fire inexpensive .22 ammo in your AR-15. Now, .22 ammo, I can still find this at Walmart, Big Five, Sportsman's Warehouse, so it's out there. But if I put this little adapter kit or a conversion kit and I use the magazine that comes with it, I can now fire .22 long rifle ammo in my AR-15 rifle or carbine. I've actually owned this since 2012, what, 9 years? And I've actually done 2 videos on this, and it works really well. But some of my viewers have asked me if this will work in a .22, or I'm sorry, in a 5.56 AR-15 pistol. And you know what? I just happen to have one right here. I haven't tried this conversion on this, so I really don't know if it's going to work or not. I don't know why it wouldn't, but we're going to find out, because we're going to take a quick look at this, and I'll show you some of the ammo I'm going to use. We'll take another quick look at this, and then we're just going to do some shooting and see what happens. So basically what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the bolt carrier out of my pistol, and I'm going to put this in there. And there's a little bolt that comes back. You have .22 chamber right here, a little feed ramp, and really not much to it. It's actually very well made. You got some good welds on it, and that's all it is right there. And again, 25 round magazines made by Black Dog Machine in Idaho. This one is marked Brownells because that's where I bought my conversion kit. Again, holds 25 rounds. All right, to install my .22 conversion, all I have to do is take out my original bolt carrier, slap this in there, bam, look at that. That easy, that fast. Load up my magazine, and bam, we're ready to go. Look at that. Yeah, look at that, huh? That's pretty. All right, let's take a look at the ammo I'm going to use, and then we're going to start shooting and have some fun with this. All right, I got some Winchester bulk ammo, 36 grain copper plated hollow points. I got Remington Golden Bullet, Winchester 40 grain copper plated, and we have some Mini Mag hollow points copper plated. All right, let's take a quick look at the pistol here. This started out as a stripped Ruger lower. Brand new, I put a CMMG parts kit in it. Has a Hogue pistol grip on it. SB Tactical brace. Has a PSA upper with a 7-inch barrel. And I have a Sig Sauer Romeo 5 red dot. And I'll tell you what, this is a blast to shoot. So let's get loaded up and do some shooting. Oh, one more thing, make sure you keep the conversion kit clean and lubricated. I'm just going to put a little of this oil on the rails, just get them a little bit wet, just like so. All right, first thing I want to do is check reliability. Don't want to set up a bunch of targets and then not have this work for whatever reason. So I'm going to start off with the CCI ammo, and then I'm going to shoot some Remington Golden Bullets. Remington. Uh-oh. Got one little jam there. See what we got here. I'll tell you, a lot of guys don't like Remington ammo, and I don't normally shoot it because I have had problems. There is a cartridge in the chamber, so let's see if that's a live round. Okay. And this does lock back on the last round. Had another jam with, this was with CCI. See if we can see that. Actually, that's not CCI, that's that Winchester bulk ammo. Yeah, you can see it's stuck in there pretty good. Oh well, I'm going to pull that bolt out, I think, and clear that. Okay, I got that jam cleared up. So let's just go ahead and shoot some of those Winchester white box rounds and see what happens. Again, this is a 36 grain copper plated hollow point. Oh, another one. Well, so far I'm not too impressed. Now this bolt was cleaned and lubed before I put it in here. And one round left. Wow. Yeah, I'm going to say it does not like that Winchester white box ammo. Yeah, let's make it snow. Take two. Okay, let's make it snow. Uh-oh. All right, let's make it snow. Well, let's see what that GoPro captured, but I don't think it was too exciting. Okay, you know what? Throughout the rest of this test, I'm going to stick with CCI hollow points, only because I haven't had a problem with them yet. So let's run a few more rounds through this and see what happens. Uh-oh. She's jammed up real good now. Yeah, let's see here. Oh well, you know what, as a training aid, this is still going to work. Get you out here, shoot a little bit, might have to put up with occasional jam. But then again, your pistol might work just fine, but this one here just does not seem to like this pistol. Anyways, I think I'm going to hang it up because I'm just wasting ammo now. So I would say this worked probably 90 to 94% of the time. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching my video, and we'll see you next time.